I want to ask you a couple of questions. I want to know what are the dimensions, and I want to know what is the area, and I don't want to wait. Okay, down girl. So the perimeter of a rectangle is 110 feet. That would be the distance around the rectangle. The width is 5 more than the length. Okay, let's translate that. The width is, this is my verb. So I'm going to say W equals 5 more than the length. Well, I don't know the length. I have to say that's 5 plus a surprise, because this is a problem. I don't know what is that length. Okay, what else can we do here? Well, there is a formula for perimeter. If that is the distance around, that means we'd have to walk a width, a length, another width, and another length. You know the formula for perimeter. Where is it? Oh, it's right there. There it is. Okay, well that's our formula. So now let's take this information we obtained from our translation and we will plug it in. Now there's something we haven't talked about yet, and that is that the perimeter of this rectangle is 110 feet. So we have that the width is 5 plus the length. We have our formula. The perimeter is 2 lengths and 2 widths. We'll make a substitution. We're going to plug this 5 plus L in where we see W. So that'll be 2L plus 2 times, instead of W, 5 plus L. And that other piece of information that we haven't used yet, the 110 feet as the distance around, there it is. Now I can solve this equation because it is one equation with one unknown. Just like we do. We will distribute 2 times 5, 2 times L. Combine our like terms without an error, please. So 110 is 4 times something plus 10. We'll move 10 to the other side. We are isolating our only unknown at this time, the L. We have 100 is equal to 4 lengths. Divide by 4. Aha! Apparently the length is 25. Well, that would be 25 feet. But the question was, what are the dimensions? So if the length is 25, now I want to know what is the width. Well, we said the width is 5 more than the length. So that would be 5 more than 25. Apparently the width is 30. That is 30 feet. You know teachers love repetition. So the answer to the question, what are the dimensions? The length is 25 feet, the width is 30 feet. Well, there was a second question. What is the area? To answer that question, well, you'd need the formula for area. Where is that? Well, it's right here. You can see it. That means the amount of space needed to cover a surface. Or the amount of anything to cover a surface, like tiles. Okay, so the area is the product of the length times the width. That's the product of 25 times 30, 750. And when we multiply feet times feet, our answer is in square feet, or feet squared. So we have answered both questions, the area and the dimensions.